much. We just put like 20 in. All right, gang. So we actually we got the gas pump right here. We just met up with my boy.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir. What's up with it?
What's going on, bro, man? Hey, it's your boy KT98 Curations, man. Check out my channel, bro. Subscribe to my boy Speedy, bro.
Oh yeah, y'all. We got a lot of content coming up in the future, y'all. So make sure y'all go check out his channel. We finna head up here to this car show and see what's to it. We got a few more people that's supposed to be riding with us, so we finna see. But if not, yeah, we finna head there. We're gonna catch up with y'all once we actually get there. Oh no, we got a turn, y'all.
We got a turn. We almost thought we was gonna get active on them.
We thought we were finna get active, y'all. We thought we had us one. It's
thought
cool
we
though.
had one. It's cool. We finna be on the highway.
Yeah.
See what we can do on the highway.
There go Audi right there.
Come on, Audi. Little turbo jump.
Little turbo. Hey, I like that blunt you got on the side. You see that? That's me.
Oh, you talking right there?
Yeah. But y'all know the bands. Y'all see my boy Truck. That's one of his builds he got going on. So,
yeah, he got it.
I mean, we just finna come up here and basically like catch a vibe, y'all. Get like some ideas and stuff and like kind of catch a vibe with the car scene. Cause y'all know we bike people. Bike life all the way, 815. So we finna just basically see what the car scene like up here, y'all. And it look like it's pretty lit. We seen some stuff on Snapchat, so finna see what's to it.
Look at that G.
Motherfucking car though.
Nobody get stuck, look.
They say the event is down here, but ain't nobody trying to get stuck though.
See, everybody trying not to get stuck.
Yeah.
Hey, let's go back over there to where that Hellcat was at.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, go over there. Let's go down.
Yes, sir. Y'all see it. After like 5 minutes later, we found the parking spot. Technically. So we finna walk in here right now, see what it's looking like. Got gang right here.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir. Y'all see it. They got some trucks out here. We got the, oh, okay. Do it again! Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Yes, sir. Hey, we gotta get the, it's the vibes, bro. We gotta get the car in next year. I already know. Yes, sir. They got the vintage in here too. Okay. Hey, y'all see the vibes, bro. They got the GTRs out. Look at this man right here. Hey, bro, what's good, man?
How y'all doing out here, man?
What's up? Got my man, Life for Tyreek.
Go subscribe.
Man, check my boy out.